Next, we take out the white yarn to crochet the little chick's eyes. Just like when we crochet the beak, we need to remove one strand from the 4-ply milk cotton yarn, leaving us with 3 strands to crochet with. Each eye will require approximately 40 inches of yarn, so we need to remove 2 strands. Take the yarn and spread it out in your palm. Wrap the yarn around your little finger, then around your index finger, and again around your middle finger. Use your thumb to press down on the crossing point. Now, take the crochet hook. Insert it into the loop on your middle finger, yarn over, and pull the yarn through the loop. This is how to make a magic ring. Next, chain 1. Yarn over. Pull the yarn through the loop. Make 1 chain stitch. Next, we'll crochet 7 single crochet stitches into this loop. Insert the hook under the 2 strands on the middle finger, yarn over, and pull the yarn through the loop. Now there are 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull the yarn through both loops on the hook. That's 1 single crochet completed. After finishing the first stitch, place a stitch marker in it. Then, continue crocheting the remaining 6 single crochets into the loop. Alright, let's count the stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 single crochets. Now, hold the crochet hook with your other hand and find the yarn end to pull it tight. Next, remove the stitch marker from the first stitch. Insert the hook into the first stitch, yarn over. And pull the first loop on the hook through the second loop. Then, crochet a chain stitch, yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. That completes the chain stitch. In the second round, we need to crochet 7 increase stitches, which means we will crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch. Let me demonstrate. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over and pull through. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook to complete the first single crochet. Place a stitch marker in the first stitch. Next, crochet the second single crochet into the same stitch. This is your first increase. Continue crocheting the second increase by working 2 single crochets into the next stitch. Repeat this process until you have completed all 7 increase stitches. After finishing the second round, remove the stitch marker. Insert the hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, pull through the stitch, and you will have 2 loops on the hook. And pull the first loop on the hook through the second loop. For the third round, we need to crochet 7 single crochet decrease stitches. First, crochet a chain stitch. To make the decrease, insert the hook into the front loop of the first stitch, then insert it into the back loop of the second stitch. Yarn over, pull through both loops, and you will have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over again and pull through both loops on the hook to complete the decrease. This is 1 single crochet decrease. Place the stitch marker in the first decrease stitch. Continue working the remaining decreases as required. Before crocheting the last stitch, we need to turn it inside out. This side is the front of the eye. Then, we crochet the last decrease stitch. Remove the stitch marker from the first stitch and crochet a slip stitch in this stitch. This completes the eye. Pull the loop to make it larger and cut off the yarn tail. Now, repeat the same process to crochet the second eye and set it aside for later use.